We have discussion on Deep Ocean Mission, a flagship initiative of Ministry of Earth Sciences, initiated in 2021 with a budget allocation of 4,077 crore rupees for a period of 5 years. Our entire study is divided into 4 segments. First segment concentrating on defining deep ocean. Second section concentrating on identifying geotechnoeconomic challenges in exploration, development, and use of deep ocean marine resources. Third segment is concentrating on 6 pillars of deep ocean mission. And fourth, strategic significance and way forward. Let us define deep ocean. Sea and oceanic waters and sea and oceanic bed and floor which are deeper than 200 meter are described as deep ocean. These include mesopelagic zone between 200 meter to 1000 meter, bathypelagic 1000 meter to 4000 meter, abyssal pelagic 4000 meter to 6000 meter, and deeper than 6000 meter hadal pelagic. On sea and oceanic bed and floor, it is deeper and below continental shelf break, which is 200 meter deep from sea level. These are geotechno-economic challenges in exploration, development, and use of deep ocean marine resources. First, temperature is near freezing point 2 to 4 degrees centigrade. There is pitch blackness that raises issue of visibility. There is extreme pressure of 600 bars, soft and muddy oceanic bed with presence of salinity and variation in temperature. There is rapid corrosion, most importantly of electrical and electronic computer designs and structures. Cost of exploration, development, and use is initially high. There is a problem in sustained production and supply of energy for the operations taken in deep ocean, and there is potentialities of interference in structural integrity of marine ecosystems and biodiversity by taking missions for exploration, development, and use of marine resources in deep ocean. These are 6 pillars of deep ocean mission. First pillar is launch of Samundrayaan project with use of Matsya6000 and indigenous titanium alloy submersible manned deep sea exploration, design and structure. Second pillar is deep sea mining to extract polymetallic nutrients from oceanic floor which contain minerals like cobalt, manganese, and so many, which are important for mineral and resource security of India. Building observation and forecasting models to understand climate variables, monsoon prediction. Fourth, bioprospecting deep sea flora, fauna, microbes for sustainable agro-industrial and medicinal applications like drugs, enzymes, proteins. Fifth, oceanic survey and exploration through mapping, multi-metal sites, geothermal sites, mid-oceanic ridges and rises. And sixth, developing oceanic thermal energy conversion like systems to produce power and energy, powering desalination plants to produce fresh water which could be used for drinking. Now, fourth segment is concentrating on strategic significance and way forward. Thus, Deep Ocean Mission is going to support blue economy of India, bioeconomy of India. It will ensure resource security, supply of vital and critical minerals for cutting edge technologies. Samundriyan project positions India in elite club of nations capable to take manned deep sea operations up to 6,000 meters. India has become sixth country in the world to take such missions after United States, Russia, China, France, and Japan. Deep Ocean Mission is directly aligned with United Nations Sustainable Development Goals 14 to ensure conservation and sustainable use of oceanic and marine resources. Now, since we have discussed there are multiple geotechno-economic challenges, this is going to be way forward. Integration and intersection of oceanic technology with biotechnology, robotics, artificial intelligence, space, meteorological and climatology, and so many. Advancement in sensors for bioprospecting, energy innovation to support sustained production and development and use of energy, development of systems naturally suited for deep sea environment to sustain manned mission in deep ocean explorations, development and use, and taking deep ocean missions with environmental responsibility and accountability. Thank you all.